Welcome to Riko's Reading Room. Today I'll read a sweet book called Sugar Cookies, Sweet Little Lessons on Love. I know you'll love it. Sugar Cookies, Sweet Little Lessons on Love by Krouse Rosenthal. Illustrated by Dyer and Brooke Dyer. Creatively read by Riko. Endearment means, come here, my sugar, my cookie, my sweet little morsel. Considerate means, I waited until you got home so we could lick the bowl together. Heartfelt means, I made these sprinkly cookies for you because I know they're your absolute favorite kind. Compassionate means that when you burn the cookies to a crisp, I'll be there to give you a hug. Admire means, I really look up to you and the way you are with your cookies. You remind me of what is good and possible in this world. Forgive means, I needed some time to get over what you said about my cookies, 'cause that wasn't very nice. But now I think I'm ready to play with you again. Supportive means that when your cookies are a huge hit at the big sale, no one is happier for you than I am. Tenderness means, see how we're lifting the fresh cookies from the tray with care and gentleness? That's the same way we treat another's heart. Adore means, I think you're simply delicious. Oh, I could just gobble you up. Expansive love means, I love this cookie and I love this cookie so much too. And wait, I really love this cookie as well. My love keeps growing to make room for each new cookie. Constructive means that if the cookie tastes funny, I'm going to be honest and tell you, I think you mixed up the salt and sugar, sweetie. Unconditionally means that even when you mess up the cookies, my love for you doesn't change one single bit. Unrequited means he sure loves her cookies, but I don't think she feels the same way about his cookies. Or maybe she just hasn't noticed them yet. Requited means, look, they both love each other's cookies. Connected means, we're making these cookies together so naturally and easily. Like we somehow know exactly what the other is doing and what needs to be done next. Heartbroken means, my heart feels sad and hurt, like a crumbling cookie. True love means, I like a lot of cookies, but this cookie here, this cookie is extra special. My love for it is pure and rich and endless. Selfless means, no, really, please, I want you to have the last cookie. Bliss selfless means, oh my, the aroma, the divine taste. I'm in total cookie heaven. Cherish means that there is nowhere in the universe I'd rather be than here in our kitchen, baking sugar cookies with you. Protect means I will always be here to keep your cookies safe. How much I love you means that even if I made cookies from morning to night, every single day forever and ever and ever, it still wouldn't even come close. The end. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to Riko's Reading Room for more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.